LIV travel trailers are unlike any other recreational vehicles available on the market today. International RV manufacturing has created a revolutionary new construction process that results in an all-welded, no-wood structure that no other RV manufacturer is using. We'd like to invite you along to take an in-depth look at the product, the manufacturing process, and of course, the fun you can have in a new LIV travel trailer. Our state-of-the-art, patent-pending construction method allows us to achieve 3 key demands that consumers have. Our mission statement is to provide consumers with 1. Quality travel trailers that are ultra-lightweight and can be towed by anyone. 2. An essentially bulletproof construction that families can enjoy for many, many years. And 3. Ultimate affordability. Now, you may ask, aren't there already units on the market that are advertised as lightweight? Nothing quite like the LIV series of travel trailers. With our unique process, we are producing travel trailers as light as 2,500 pounds. Our units can be towed by a wider array of vehicles than any other pull-behind camper available on the market. It is our vision that anyone, anywhere should be able to enjoy the camping experience easily, and this factor is key. Now, what do we mean by bulletproof? Quite simply put, a LIV travel trailer is built to last. Our all-welded, no-wood structures prevent mildew, rot, and the kind of deterioration you find with traditional wood and aluminum units, providing you, your family, and friends with many years of wonderful and invaluable camping experiences. Speaking of value, LIV travel trailers are extremely affordable and packed with a host of great features that will allow you to get the most out of your camping experiences. Ultra-light, bulletproof, and affordable. What more could you want? This is the new travel trailer you can't live without. Now, let's take a deeper dive into our state-of-the-art construction process. Here is an artist rendition of your new LIV travel trailer. As you can see, the roof, front and rear walls, and partial floor are manufactured from a one-piece thermoplastic material with no seams to leak. Unlike conventional RV construction using wood, staples, and aluminum, the LIV uses a unibody construction by welding on both the interior and the exterior of the thermocomposite walls, ceiling, and floor. There are no wood trusses, walls, floors, or ceilings to rot. With the new LIV travel trailer, there is no need for a rubber roof membrane that would likely rip or leak. The LIV is non-toxic and will not burn your eyes from the chemicals used in other conventional RV construction. The LIV is fire-resistant and chemical-resistant to items such as acetone, formic acid, butyl acetates, gas, oil, and detergents. The LIV is extremely durable and hard to damage, unlike other aluminum exterior travel trailers. The LIV is available in 19-foot and 23-foot bunkhouse models, as well as a 26-foot rear bath couples coach, all weighing between 2,500 and 3,500 pounds. The innovation doesn't stop there. LIV travel trailers also allow for an ultra eco-friendly, zero-emissions option consisting of a 400-watt solar panel and 20-amp service that can power most everything in the unit. Now let's dive into some of the incredible features you will find standard in your new LIV. Our 19-foot and 23-foot bunkhouse models have everything the whole family wants for great camping experiences. Of course, there are 2 bunk beds with mattresses for the kids. Great home-cooked meals are a cinch with the features you'll find in the kitchen, including a 2-burner stove with a range hood, a microwave, a refrigerator, and a sink. The whole family will love gathering together at a spacious U-shaped dinette and table, and cozying up to a built-in fireplace with its own remote control. Fold down the full-size Murphy bed and set your favorite temperature on the air conditioning unit for ultimate comfort. Just because you're camping doesn't mean you need to miss your favorite shows. You'll also find a fully featured entertainment center with a wall-mounted swivel HD TV and digital antenna, and a stereo system with inside and outside speakers. And when nature calls, The bathroom features a shower with a curtain and a skylight above, a toilet, and an electric vent. With a variety of drawers, underseat storage, and large wardrobe spaces, you're sure to find the perfect compartments for all of your belongings. Aquadeck flooring will help you keep your unit neat and easy to clean. Of course, safety is key when camping, so your LIV features escape windows, a fire extinguisher, as well as CO2, LP, and smoke detectors. Set the mood with ambient LED lighting, both inside and outside of your coach. Speaking of outside, let's take a look at some of the exterior features. Walk down the solid steps and relax under your electric awning. Store even more with the pass-through storage compartment. Rinse off with the outdoor hot and cold shower. You'll also find access to your 25-gallon freshwater tank, 30-gallon gray and black tanks, and of course, your jacks, cable TV hookup, propane tanks, and a 6-gallon gas water heater with direct spark ignition. Power is no problem with your LIV travel trailer, with features including 30 amp service, a 120 volt connection, and a converter box with a built-in battery charger. How do we fit all of these incredible features into a simple, lightweight floor plan? Let's look at how each model lays out. Let's start with our 19 and 23 foot bunkhouse models. Starting at the front of the unit, you'll see we have the fold-out Murphy bed. Then, we have our U-shaped dinette and a wardrobe closet. Central to the unit is our kitchen and our fireplace, and just across from there, our entertainment center. Heading toward the rear of the unit, we have, of course, our 2 bunk beds. And all the way in the back, our bathroom. It's a simple floor plan and yet packed with features. Our rear bath couples coach begins at the front with a master bedroom with a queen bed and 2 wardrobes surrounding it. Then we work our way back to the main living area with seating, furniture, a dinette, and a full kitchen with a pantry. In the very back, there is a spacious full bathroom. This floor plan is great for your next getaway. When we say we want anyone to be able to enjoy camping, we mean it. Let's hear from a customer who has some great things to say about the drivability of their new LIV travel trailer.
Hey, you made it.
We did, and she wanted the camper, and I wanted her to drive it.
At first I was nervous and scared, intimidated. After a while we took off and we drove for 100 miles and I completely forgot that I had anything behind me.
I actually had to remind her that she was towing the LIV.
Ultra lightweight, bulletproof, and affordable. These are the things that make the LIV series of travel trailers different than any other RV available, with innovative construction techniques that prevent mold, mildew, rot, and deterioration. Paired with an incredible array of features packed into simple floor plans, all at an affordable price, it's no wonder you can't live without one. We are currently accepting orders of all models. Give us a call today or visit our website. It's time to live your best life.